everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking fried chicken with fish sauce. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, very easy. I have only chicken, sugar, fish sauce, powder tempura, and water. I show you guys. The first I have to put the fish sauce, sugar, 2 spoons, powder. I don't put too much powder tempura. My dog he want to eat now. And water, little bit water. Okay, I take the glove because I don't want to clean every time. Okay, now everything I mix, and I have to wait 30 minutes. I want to put tempura powder more, but not too much. Because today I have chicken 1 kilo. You know, I forget something, black pepper. I put pepper. Okay. And after I have to use อันนี้เขาเรียกอะไรนะ fork because I need everything inside chicken. Mingini แม่ค่ะ
เหม็นไหม
นี่มูฟี่สตาร์ค่ะ
แม่ปะ
นี่เป็นมูฟี่สตาร์ค่ะ I put the oil and after I wait for the oil hot enough. Wow. After 30 minutes I put the chicken fry. Okay, now everything enough. You see, it's beautiful color and very good smell because it fish sauce make a smell good. Wow. สวยงามน่ารักอ่ะน่ากินอ่ะ delicious แน่นอน look delicious. I put in the plate, make beautiful, and show my food is delicious. Okay, time for eating. I really excited. Wow. See? Good. Yeah, tasting like fish sauce because it's chicken fried with fish sauce. Very good. Okay, today I finished everything and I don't know how to say. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe and like and share and support my channel. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ See you next video. Bye bye. Today we are cooking fried chicken with sauce. เอาใหม่ fish sauce ไอ้เหี้ยเลยเอาใหม่
โอเค
ใครมาส่ง Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking chicken เอาใหม่ fried chicken.
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking fried chicken with pisot.
ไอ้ตะมอง
ทำไม
ใบ
กูลืม
ไม้
pisot เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงอย่าเพิ่งถ่ายมุม
You have problem with your boobs?
วัน
Oi. Okay.
Some people want to hear your voice, not me.